Welcome to this video on the woven pathway and the practice of new communication. Drawing from Philippians 4:8, we look at filtering our thoughts through the standard of what is true, noble, and right. We often find a gap between knowing and doing. This gap can lead to stagnation, while true transformation requires moving from passive information to active heart engagement. Bridging this gap began with the architecture of alignment, intentionally bringing both mind and heart into agreement with God's truth. This creates an engaging loop built on trust. In this rhythm, we practice new responses while listening for His voice. This is a journey of grace. Through these steps, you are being guided into the person you were created to be. Ultimately, new communication is more than just a practice. It is a pathway to living out your true created design. Thank you, and I love you.